So it has been quite a while since we've done an over-the-top, entirely too ambitious Ask Me Anything pie class here at the Pie Academy. So that's exactly what we're going to do this coming Sunday, November 16th, to get you pumped and prepared for the holiday season. Now, we're calling this live class Holiday Pie Prep, and for sure we're going to talk about the stuff you can do ahead of time to help take the stress out of your holidays. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. I'm going to introduce you to 3 of my all-time favorite Thanksgiving pies, some of which you might be familiar with, and any one of which will seal your reputation as a local pie legend. Now, these include a cranberry apple pie, which you can bake in a pie pan or a tart pan. It's made with a pre-cooked filling and a crumb top. If you like ending your holiday meals on a fruity note, this one's for you. And from our greatest hits department, we're going to make a chocolate pecan pie, because why on earth would you just have pecan when you can have chocolate with it? This is no time of year for restraint. And because I literally wrote the book on the subject, we'll make a maple pumpkin pie because it would be a sacrilege not to. As a bonus, I'll show you how we can deck it out for the holidays. Now, our classes typically run about 90 minutes, but I know I'll be fielding a lot of questions and covering a lot of ground, so we'll probably run over just a bit, just saying. So, whether you come to almost all of our classes or this is your very first one, I think you'll get a ton out of this class, and we'll get a ton out of having you there. The sign-up links are below, and remember, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you get full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in class.